What is up, all my bougie babies? It is Bou'Jay. I'm back with another makeup tutorial video. Basically, I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day beat down because I've been seeing them on Instagram and I really want to be a part of it. So I'm gonna do my Valentine's Day beat down. It's gonna be really fun. I hope you guys stay tuned, watch it. I keep playing in my hair, but you know, Styles by Summer. I'll put it down here below. I also put Instagram, who did my hair, and so let's get into the video. Or is it the video? I don't know. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows, and all I'm gonna do is my makeup. My LA Girl Pro Concealer and Ivory Pop. So once I do that, take my beauty blender. And I'm gonna use Morphe's pink. All of these. Okay, so make sure we get that. I'm gonna take a darker pink. I'm gonna take the other side of my brush and put more light pink. Blend the back out.
You want it to be smooth as possible. Blend it apart. Where'd you go? Oh, look at you. Oh, cute. Stop, look at you. Don't touch my hair. You do too much. You do way too much. Mama, look like some old detective. I can't.
Smooth. I don't have to blend that much. I just don't want no harsh lines. Okay. I really love Morphe. I think I got I'm like a Morphe babe. Seriously. I love Morphe. Super inexpensive. Super great. Love it. Okay, so this is Morphe's new matte foundations, full coverage. It says full coverage foundation, and it's called Fluidity. This is F370. Like, it looks like this. So, the girl matched me in Cerritos, but you know she wasn't of a melanin tone, so it took her a minute, but it's okay. I helped her out. Like, look, girl, I go from like 3 different colors. You know, I think all black people go from like 2 to 3 different colors through the year. So, you know, for me, I go from pale right now. For right now, this is pale. I go for pale from December to January, February, March, April, and then once May hit, I start warming up a little bit. June, July, August, September, I am about as gold as a crispy nugget, okay? Say hi. You gotta say hi.